Here's my presentation, an intelligent tennis training game with Unity and pose estimation. My name is Peter. So the problem with tennis, one of the major problems with tennis is that outdoor courts are often unavailable. This mostly happens because of weather, cost, or just scheduling. In fact, Wimbledon canceled 75 out of 91 tennis matches because of the weather, which caused over $250,000 in refunds. Players also lose skill and motivation when practice stops. Solution. Um, my game projects a virtual ball machine on screen that serves tennis balls. A webcam captures your real swing, translates it into the game via pose estimation, and lets you hit the balls, turning any room into on-demand tennis practice. So the core loop, you just the ball fires randomly at different angles to simulate a real tennis match. BlazePose tracks your body and animates the avatar in real time, and there is a reward system to encourage players to practice. So for the engine, I use Unity 6 plus Sentis, pose estimation, BlazePose, and the assets from Blender, and yeah. I used BlazePose with Sentis for pose estimation because it had the lowest latency and error. So some prior approaches include multi-camera 3D reconstruction. One problem with that is that it's fixed and it's costly. Our fix is just single webcam. And for VR, it's also costly. And we also fixed that with the single webcam. For video tutorials, it's like practice, but like our game is like interactive. For future updates, I would like to lower latency and optimize the game so more people can practice. Uh, Questions, comments, you can email me here.